we're going to chat a little bit about the four kind of prerequisites required to help accelerate that shift and be successful with orchestrated performance. The first is planning the flow of work. This has been in the DNA of Vena since we started the company almost 15 years ago. And we're going to talk a bit about how we're expanding the surfaces and where planning can be done in all the flows of work that you and your business colleagues are working in every single day. The second is orchestration is changing. This idea of no longer just people and data, but AI as well. And we'll talk a bit more about how we're updating that. And the third is a little bit more new for everyone, but this idea of intelligence and ensuring that your data has context is becoming super important for making sense of the large volumes of data, both that humans and AI interact with. And then on that point, you have to have a really accurate, well-structured, unified data layer. So we'll break these down and I'll share some exciting stuff we have to announce today. And all things planning the flow of work, Excel is the primary planning surface. I don't even need to ask any of you, do you use Excel? Everyone uses Excel. It's the planning surface that's been around for 40 years. I don't see that ever changing. And we're super excited to continue to lean in very aggressively with supporting some really fantastic ways in which you can plan differently in Excel. And we'll be talking a bit about that throughout this session. But while finance teams love Excel, the broader organization sometimes likes to use more interactive tools. Just, I'm curious, by a show of hands, how many people here have users across the business working in Power BI? Okay, so a bunch. So Power BI is a phenomenal tool for visualization, for reporting and analysis. But on their own, they're just visualization tools. They don't actually allow you to do any type of planning or capture any types of inputs related to decisions being made across the business. And so that's a big part of why we acquired Acterys. So if you haven't heard too much about Acterys, Acterys is an operational planning platform that turns Power BI into a really powerful actual planning platform. It turns Power BI into a planning platform. And this we really think is super exciting for especially how business users across the organization can work in Power BI and you can capture all those business inputs without having any latency between where those decisions are being made, where data and decisions are being captured in now Power BI that automatically feed and update Vena, and you can analyze that directly in Excel. So there's no kind of silos there. And your users outside of finance that might prefer to work in Power BI or a more intuitive user experience that's more visual in nature, they can now do that with Acterys. And so we've expanded that planning surface from Excel to also include Power BI. And that's a really exciting part of why we have announced the acquisition of the Acterys platform. And so today, one of the first announcements I wanted to share with all of you is we've unified the data between Acterys and Vena. And so as your users all make decisions and perform planning inputs in Power BI now, you don't have any latency to see those updating forecasts, for example, in Excel. And so we'll give you a couple of examples of how this comes to life. Here's a simple example of Acterys being used for skills and capturing training data. And so this is more of an advanced kind of use case. It's a little bit outside of core financial planning, but as people complete those training updates, that can impact operating expenses. And so that is something that all users across the business can be inputting on. They can see in real time the impact of that, and then that feeds automatically into your operating expenses over in Vena. I'll give you another example, project planning. We have lots of customers here that do a lot of project planning, driving revenue through projects. As those projects complete, as they get updated, that automatically feeds into your revenue planning. That happens in basically near real time. There's no latency between those updates being fed in through Acterys, feeding through into your Vena Cube for revenue. So a couple of really specific examples. Acterys is a super powerful platform that you can use for many more examples, that's including even for financial planning in Power BI. But just to give you a little bit of sense in particular about how users across the business that are working in Power BI, you can capture those updates and have them feed into your Vena data.